In this video, we're checking out a few condos in Pattaya. Whether you want to move here for Soy 6 Walking Street or you just want a cozy beach town, this is a quick sampler. Real prices, real sizes, just to give you a baseline of what leasing actually looks like here. These units will change, but the ranges and the process don't.
I'm pretty sure it's her. Yeah, it is. Oh, that's right. They're on that side. I forget.
Heavy cars always missing.
This is Joy. She is my real estate agent. She also manages the property, and she is fantastic.
How are you?
I'm good.
Sorry about that.
Problem come too early.
Yeah, I thought Thai lady always late. You
Only me.
you know, you early.
Early is not good too.
No, it's okay.
Every single problem I've ever had going to her, she is taken care of immediately. And I honestly don't want to rent a place without her now.
And anyway, the one that 23,000, the owner is playing the game. He now won 26,000.
Oh,
So
which one?
So, but then he said he won 26. I just like cancel.
Yeah.
So
So
now
you don't have
official-
you don't have contract with him? Oh, I thought maybe all these places under you, like this one, no?
No, ha.
Oh, okay.
This is he, in Pattaya. They can list with any.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, but this owner, he only listed with me.
Oh, I see.
So, but anyway, I like to show you the one in Phra Tamnak. I think
Yeah,
that one
I
is nice.
I need to be open-minded and see, many places. Sometimes you'd be surprised when you fall in love with a place
Correct.
that you not think you normally would like.
A couple things I've learned. While online rental sites can give you a good idea of what some of the places and locations look like, listings are generally old and are not updated quickly. For me, online shopping was kind of a waste of time with multiple websites. What it did do is put me in contact with agents constantly telling me that those were old listings, but they had new ones. And many people that I emailed ahead of time told me not to bother until 2 weeks in advance when I was already here to help me condo shop. Condos go incredibly fast here in Pattaya. So fast sometimes that it goes that day. Some other differences that are pretty extreme: your furniture already comes with the condo. So it can be a real challenge to find everything you like only to discover that you hate the bed, or the TVs are old, or your couch is a little uncomfortable or too small. These are a lot of different dynamics you don't normally have to deal with in Western society. But it's also a bonus. You don't have to go furniture shopping when you move into a place. But it does add a level of complexity when you are shopping for a condo to rent.
You cannot fit in 35 square meter.
I mean, I fit in a queen bed. I fit in a lot of things. So.
Even the first time when I saw you like rent a queen bed, I'm a bit worried. But you said you're gonna sleep on like not the straight one,
Yeah.
on the side.
And so is this John TM?
This one is Phra Tamnak. Over there is John Tian.
Oh, okay.
This one is Pattaya.
Gotcha.
We right in the middle. You are a fitness person?
I'm a what?
Fitness person?
Yeah, I go to that's one thing I really like about where I live now. 24-hour gym.
And here in the area you have another fitness, I think muscle factory.
Oh, yeah. I know Muscle
Right
Factory.
here.
No, it's not difficult. Can you hold? Just like that.
This one, long one.
Oh, his corner.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna lie, I kind of regret not getting this place. It's massive. It's double the size of my current place and the same price for rent. It is in Phra Tamnak, which can be a little bit of a challenge, especially when I have guests all the time and they're like, yo, let's go eat at Robin Hood, or they want to go get Thai food or something, and everybody's generally staying in Central. Now it's going to be a hassle every single time of like 20-minute, 10-minute motorbike taxi ride or whatever. It is a small inconvenience, but I have a feeling it would add up after a while. The positive note is I have a massive amount of space. Maybe it'll keep me from going out all the time. But honestly, me going out is your fault when you guys come visit me. So yeah, thanks.
The washing machine is just here, behind the door.
Oh, cool. Kind of convenient.
And big, a lot of storage.
This is really big.
Yeah.
How many square meter?
Nearly, I think about 80.
Does that include the balcony?
Include, when we talk about that, it includes
Smart.
bracket.
Yeah. At home, you have same type of stove?
I'm sorry?
In your home, you have same?
No,
You have
it's
gas?
gas.
Oh, you lucky. Gas is the best.
Yeah, gas is not allowed in the condo.
Oh.
In Thailand, it's illegal. How can I
That's
say?
so
It's
they
not allowed.
all like this?
All of them.
Oh, so hard to cook. It's like not hot boiling. Like there's no like in between. Yeah.
Yeah, if
It's
you
okay,
If
but-
you need gas, it has to be a house.
Ah, yeah, gas is the best.
A story.
Oh wow.
He's very clever actually.
Yeah. Oh,
And
okay.
put your luggage.
Yeah.
in.
Yeah, for sure. That's actually kind of good.
Try the sofa.
Oh, look how
Switch
wide.
it.
Yeah. This is like my style at home.
Better.
Oh yeah.
This might seem really trivial for you, places to put your luggage, and I like the couch, but in my condo, my luggage is in my bedroom propped up against my window, and I hate my living room couch so much that I never use it. I essentially use my one bedroom as a studio, but I like all the other amenities so much more that it just overrides those. It's just some of the concessions you have to make when picking your place and your furniture. YouTube has a new feature called Hype. It only works within the first 7 days of the video to help creators, such as myself that are really small, get a little bump in the algorithm. It only works within the first 7 days, only works through your cell phone. Hit the like button and then hit Hype.
So is Pattaya the city? What's Banglam?
Banglamung is district.
Then what's Chonburi? Province?
Chonburi is province.
Okay.
That's
I feel like
what
it
we-
has so extra. Yeah. Like subdivision.
But we don't have a road name, no? We have a road name, but we normally don't put it in the
Oh. Oh yeah, you're right.
yeah. But in your country,
Yeah.
the main thing is about the road name. no?
Yeah. Well, no, because
No?
there's many of the same road name everywhere.
Oh,
So you always have street address first,
Street address.
then city,
yes.
state, and then postal code.
Yeah,
That's it.
same. Next one is here, the axis.
How do you feel about buying condos here? You think it's worth it or no for investment?
It's good if you can find the right one. Yeah, I mean, first, location is the most important. Second is about the price. If you want to get it, the return.
Yeah.
Don't buy it like brand new one. I don't have a feel about it. Like off plan, I don't have any feel to buy it.
Oh.
I don't think that kind of thing is a good investment. I believe in the old building like we just come.
Yeah.
Yeah. You buy cheap, renovate, and you can sell it again. Yeah, like this. How you can resell your one?
Yeah.
So many competitors, a lot of them. This is easy walking, but the size is hard.
You been here before?
There are two buildings here. We are in building A.
Okay.
No. This is a car park. 4 floor.
Oh wow.
This is very good building for someone who has car, motorbike, so you park safe here.
Yeah, I don't understand the parking for my condo.
You can't really.
Because
really say that.
I feel like there's not enough spots for condo.
No, actually it's illegal as well. When they build, they have to make sure that there is enough space for the car.
Joy, do you have a good moving company? If I wanted to pay somebody?
Someone.
Yeah?
It's a proper moving company.
Okay. You should have showed me this one first.
You know the sales.
I know, it's so small.
It's about the sales.
Yeah.
Actually, it's small, but it's not small like 35 square meter one.
Yeah.
But you look at the view, it's nice.
Yeah, the view is nice.
Small, but actually they have everything.
แต่ว่าห้องนอนโอเค
เขาทำดีนะพี่ว่า
แต่ว่าห้องนั่งเล่นเนี่ยค่อน
My
ข้าง
problem is where to put your working desk. That's the problem for
ไม่ได้ ไม่ได้
Yeah.
Actually, it's similar size to the
โต๊ะทำงานเนี่ยเข้า
slide
ไม่
here
ได้
ค่ะ Can slide.
Oh.
Like this.
อ๋อเป็นสตูดิโอ
เป็น one bed แบบมี partition.
Has girl lived here before?
The owner is a lady.
Yeah, I could tell.
But very quality. Let me try.
Oh yeah, it is a lot softer than the other one. Yeah.
I can see that she make it for herself.
For sure. For sure, with that pink fan, 100%. I gotta take a photo of this.
Like Kitty.
Yeah, I know. I thought it was gonna be a Hello Kitty fan for a second. Might as well. But,
Everything you
yeah, it's a lot. Is she trying to get female tenant? Yeah. How much is this one?
23 include internet
My.
and once a month cleaning. And the owner will buy new TV.
She'll buy a new TV.
Yeah.
Yeah, her TV is a little small, but oh, it's got storage up here.
She built in too much. If she didn't build too much,
Yeah, it would.
I think she has too many built-in. If she didn't have like too many of this would be nice.
Yeah. You should also move this
Look at
out here.
Fanny. She didn't like it.
Oh, I know.
She just
She always polite. She tell me when we get home. She should leave this outside though. It look terrible when you walk in. Yeah, hard to look at this place with such similar price to the other one when it's so big,
That's true.
right?
that one better than หมดเลยนั่นเลย
I know. Okay. She getting spicy. I can tell.
Okay. Let's move.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to do a more complex and in-depth one, obviously these are both very expensive locations, being 25 and 23,000. If you guys want me to do other locations at cheaper prices, or if you're even interested in this topic, put something in the comments below so I can know. Big shout out to Joy for taking the time out of her day to drive me around and take a look at some places. And obviously Tanny, my best friend, always there for me, very knowledgeable and takes time out of her day to help me look at places and give me her 2 cents. All right, guys, that's it. I appreciate you watching.
Thank you. Bye bye.